reattach. Straighten your hinges a little so that they line up with the holes again. Okay. Personally, I take these two screws, one into each hole. And you'll see it's the bottom hole. The bottom hole. Line it up. In this case they came out again, so turn upside down. I like to put the screwdriver on to make sure it's going into the right hole. Get it in there. Tighten it down. Stand it on end. These screws back into here. Put it back up. Attach the first ribbon cable, like so. Flip this over. Attach this one back into place. Screws back in. This back under here. You have to angle these little clips go into this little hole here, so you have to like get it under and then you have to kind of angle it to get the other side too. Is that one? That one. Take the keyboard, attach this one here, this one there. Start with the long one first. You gotta be careful, you don't want to tear the ribbon. these holes lined up first. Like so. Line this up. Down in place. Put over. Your screws. Your longest screws are here and here. Okay. Here are the long screws here. And your two short screws are here, here, and then the shortest screw goes there. Screw here. The 4 silver screws in the front, so. Voila. Replaced. That's how you do it.